Hello, Dr. Arbeitman here. One of the things I'm most proud of in our practice is the number of families and children that we have taken care of over the last 21 plus years. People often ask, what exactly is your family maintenance program? What is a family maintenance program? A family maintenance program means the entire family comes in regularly, not because they're sick, not because they're in pain, but to maintain the integrity of the spine and the function of the nervous system that it protects. Because here's the reality: subluxation and stress patterns on the spine develop years, sometimes decades before symptoms ever appear. Most of what we visualize on x-rays as an adult originates from bumps, bruises, and falls in childhood. The body is incredibly adaptive, especially in children. Pain may go away, but that doesn't mean the stress or the interference in the nervous system is gone. Children today experience more physical stress than ever. There's sports injuries, there's falls, there's technology postures, there's heavy backpacks, there's emotional stress, anxiety. Even the birth process itself is a early stress to the spine and the nervous system. And because their brains, spines, and nervous systems are still developing, pediatric spinal care is incredibly important. Honestly, if I had to choose between my spine getting checked regularly or my children's spines getting checked regularly, I would choose my children every time because they're growing and they're developing. That's why we created our family maintenance program, to make ongoing chiropractic care affordable and accessible for entire families. How do we do that? We offer highly discounted pediatric fee schedules. Many of you may not realize that there's a different fee schedule for children. Family discounts. The more members under care, the more your family saves. And perhaps you know it's time for your spouse or your significant other to get their spine checked, either preventatively or because they've been struggling and denying it. And additional savings are in place when an entire family is under care. We want to make it extremely realistic and affordable. So because this isn't just about treating pain, it's about giving your child and your family the best opportunity to grow, heal, adapt, and function at their highest level through the different stages of development. The question really becomes, what would your life have looked like if your spine and your nervous system was checked regularly throughout the stages of your development? That's the opportunity we want to provide families today, because life is better when the body is functioning the way it was designed and that we're taking care of the spine proactively, not reactively. And that starts with a healthy spine and a healthy nervous system. And who's better positioned to take care of the spine and the nervous system than your chiropractors? So the next step is simple. Ask a question, speak with one of us, one of the doctors, about your family's needs on your next visit, and we'll be happy to go further with you. Thank you for your trust and confidence, and we look forward to continuing to provide your family the care that you expect and deserve.